Motion detection. Motion detection parking mode records any motion that comes in front of the dash camera. It does by buffering the recording, the dash camera, and waiting for movement to come in front of the camera. Once the camera sees motion, it then writes the recording to the SD card. Some dash cameras go as far as 15 seconds back in buffering, which allows you to see what was happening before the person or car entered the frame. Whether it be a car accident or some mischief, this parking mode allows you to have a lot less video to review. But one of the common myths about motion detection is most consumers and industry professionals believe the dash camera goes into a sleep state and only wakes up when there is motion. This is completely wrong. We tested 12 dash cameras from various brands recently and monitored them all for approximately 30 minutes with no motion. They all drew quite a bit of current, whether there was motion or not. So if you think motion is going to be less of a load on your car battery, you would be wrong. Here are some of the pros of motion detection. You have the ability to record audio. Less videos to review if an incident occurs. Records when there is motion with some buffered so you can see prior to a person or car entering the video. Full video resolution typically in this mode. So if you have a 4K camera, it will be a 4K parking mode video. Cons. It does not go to sleep and draws current constantly while parked. If recording longer than 3 hours, we do recommend investing in a battery pack. If you drive in excess of 45 minutes frequently, you could miss out on an incident while parked if motion sensor is not triggered. Some dash cameras on the market, their rear cameras or interior cameras have no motion sensor. Some cameras are using a form of AI, which we have seen fail as it assesses what it thinks is danger. And if it determines that that is not danger, it just records nothing. So what is the right dash camera for you for parking mode? Well, here's some of our recommendations. Our top choices for motion detection are thinkware dash cameras, the U3000, U1000 Plus, and others from the thinkware family. For the Vuroid dash cameras, we recommend the D21 4K, D20Q2, and others. The reason why we're recommending these dash cameras and not other ones is because we've actually tested that all the cameras, front and rear, will actually record and pick up motion. And you might be wondering, why are we not recommending Viofo? We've actually seen challenges in high heat that due to the 15-second buffered portion of the motion detection, we've seen it fail, lock up, or have other challenges. And that's why we typically don't recommend those cameras. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are looking to support us in any way, shape, or form, check us out, safedrivesolutions.com, where we do offer professional dash camera installation in Greater Vancouver and Greater Toronto, Canada. And we also supply dash cameras through safedrivesolutions.com and ship all across Canada. Thanks again.